what do you say, gang? We do some country. When I look in her eyes, it ain't no surprise. Sparks start flying like the 4th of July. She gets me so hot and my heart starts a pumping. When we get to kissing, there ain't no stopping. When it comes to loving, she ain't no slacker. My little darling is a firecracker. When you light the fuse, you gotta get back quick. You gotta be careful with a dynamite stick. Son of a gun, she's fun to handle, and she backs a punch like a Roman candle. She's a pack of black cats in a red paper wrapper. My little darling is a firecracker. We might not ought to take a roll in the hay, 'cause we'll burn the barn down on one of these days. Match made in heaven and there ain't no judge. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. She goes off with a great big bang. Boys, I tell you, it's a beautiful thing. She takes off, you better hang on tight. She's a brunette bottle rocket in the middle of the night. She makes love, she's a heart attacker. My little darling is a firecracker. Yeah! We might not ought to take a roll in the hay, 'cause we'll burn the barn down on one of these days. Match made in heaven and there ain't no judge. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. Burn it up, boys! Ha! Bobby, hang on a second. Hang on just a second. How you doing tonight? What's your name, darling? Madeline, come on up here. Help Madeline up, folks. Come here, Madeline. Come on. Help her up. Give her a round of applause. Come here, Madeline. Come around here, sweetheart. I want to show off Madeline's smile, because Madeline has been smiling from ear to ear all night long. And I just love to see that, Miss Madeline. Where are you from, Madeline?
Hoboken, New Jersey.
Oh, Hoboken, yeah. A Jersey girl. Madeline, who are you with here tonight? Who's this?
My husband, John.
John. And how many years with John?
42.
42 years. Congratulations, John. John, is it okay if I dance with your bride a little bit tonight? Well, hey, watch my feet. There's your a plug from your husband. Okay. Well, Madeline, I'll tell you what. Come here. When was the last time you and John danced?
Oh, recently.
Recently, okay. All right, I'm gonna lead tonight then, okay? You just grab on tight. A little higher there. A little, yeah, that's. She like that all the time? Yeah, right. Madeline, you're ready, fired up, ready to, Madeline, just come on. All right, just shake it off. Here we go. Bobby, cut her loose. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. And she's a firecracker, she's a light of my life. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's a light of my life. She's a firecracker, she's a light of my life. How about a hand for Miss Madeline, huh? Firecracker, firecracker. Ooh. Firecracker, firecracker.